Welcome back friends, this is Udit Tomar and you are watching Ultra Technical. Friends, in this video I'll tell you how to install cmatrix and get a matrix effect. Okay, so you have to just type pkg install cmatrix, that's it. Okay, after that type cmatrix, that's it. You will get this effect. Okay, to stop it press Ctrl plus C, and to play it with more just type --H. That's it. You can use your various options, like if you use Japanese, one option C, so this is the Japanese one option, matrix effect. So hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching.